Python on your system. But before we get started, we want to know if Python is already installed in this system, so that there will be no need to do that again. How do you check? First, you come to your search bar here and you're going to type PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. So I'll click on it, and so when it opens, I'll just go ahead and type Python. If I hit enter, then all right, it's just going to bring this up and take me to my Microsoft store where I can download that. Okay, you can see that. That means I don't have Python installed on this system. You can also go to your command prompt here. You can also do the same thing. It's going to take you there. So that means Python is not installed here. So I'll just go ahead. What you need to do, you go to your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, either one, it works. So you just type Python download. So just like so, Python download. It's going to load and just bring up this search, and you just have to click on the first one. So give you some few seconds to load and it's going to pop up. So these are Python. You have the latest version. Download the latest version of Python, which is 3.11.5. That is the latest version of Python. You can download for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac. All right, it depends on the operating system you are using. So mine is Windows. I'll go ahead and click here. So you see there are those for Macs, Linux, and Windows. So this Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'll just go ahead and click on that. So you can see Python. Oh, okay. So just go ahead. You can see Windows here. You click on this window, and right, you see it's going to load up and bring you to this page. So you have series of items here, release notes, pre-release, and the rest of them. These are the stable release. These are the pre-releases. So what you want to quickly locate is for Windows, you have this Windows embedded package, 32-bit and 64-bit. So it depends on your bit you are using. So what you want to click on is download Windows installer. That is what you are looking for. Either you are using 32-bit or 64 bit. This is the embedded package. You don't want to click on that. So since I'm using 64-bit, yours could be 32, or just click on this Windows installer. So I'll click that, and you see it has started Python download. Okay, so yes, you can see that has been downloaded. So since it's downloaded, I'll go ahead and click on it so that we can start the installation process. Okay, just allow it to pop up so that we start installing Python. Yeah, it's going to bring this up. Okay, so what you want to do here, you want to check this box, add python dot executable to path. I'll just go ahead and check it like this, and you have customized installation. So that's what I want to click on. Okay, to enable us do some customization, I'll click on this, and it's going to bring you here with all of these boxes check, documentation and all of that. So I'll just leave it as the default settings. Okay, then I'll go ahead and click next. So you have this advanced option. So you have some of these checked and these are unchecked. So I want to install Python for all users. Okay, so I want to I'll go ahead and click this first box. Since I click that, you see this other one is going to check. So I'll check that box, and is going to customize installation location. So you can, this is going to save on program files, so you can click on browse to change yours to the storage location you want to save it to. So I'll just go ahead and click what, and click install. All right, so it's going to, so do you want to allow this to make changes? I'll click on yes, and it's going to start the installation process. which is going to take some few moments. All right, it will start running. So I'll just stop this, and after the installation we are going to continue the process. Okay, let's just allow it run. It's almost done. So it's going to run just like that. Okay, so yes, it has setup was successful. We have successfully installed Python. So it has run and successfully installed. So we are just going ahead. We'll go ahead to click close. Okay, so I'll click on close just like so. So after doing that, so let's go back now. Go back to our command, our Windows PowerShell. Let's repeat the same action we did earlier so that you can see that okay, we have successfully installed Python. All right, so we just went ahead before to type Python and it did not show any. So if I go now and say Python and hit enter, so you see that it's going to enter into this, so showing us that Python has been successfully installed. So Python, we now have Python installed on our computer. So you can go ahead to start using it and do whatever you want to do on Python. Start writing your code on the command prompt, okay, on Python. So let's test if it's working. So what we have to do, we just have to run print on this command just like this, and I'll just go ahead and do uh, print what? Print hello world, just like that. And if I hit enter, see it's going to print hello world. So we started writing the codes, and if I go ahead and come here and do let's say 10 minus 7 5, it's going to show 5. All right, it's working. So that's it. And again, you could let's come down here, come down to search, and just search for what you downloaded, search for idle. All right, this is it. This is the Python idle ID we downloaded. So I'll go ahead and click on it, and it's going to load and open up. So let's wait for it to open. Okay. All right, so this the software we downloaded, the Python idle shell. So this is it. So I'll go ahead. Let's say we want to do the same thing we did earlier. We do print. Sorry, I have to close that. Print hello world. And so it's going to print that. All right, so let's say I want to actually write a program. I want to create a new file, and I'll just go to file, new file. Okay, then so let's say I want to run a program, let's say m equals 7 and n equals 6. and I'll just go ahead and do a summation of these two numbers. Print m plus n, and just like so, I'll go ahead and first, to run this, you go ahead and do file, save as. I'll just save this file as file1 just like so, and I'll go ahead and save. So after that, I'll come here to run and click on run modules. So you see, it's going to show this output 13. So that's it, guys. This Python. Welcome to Python. You can write programs. Keep coding, guys. I'll see you in the next video.